Okay, we're looking at right angle triangles and trigonometry. You've been doing this for years, so it should be nice and easy. First things first, if you pretend you're stood at the angle, okay, and you can label the sides, there's the hypotenuse, opposite and adjacent. You need to remember the trig ratios, right, sine, cosine and tangent. Okay, so there we go. Now, so if I'm going to find x, I'm going to be using h and a. I have no information yet on o, so therefore h and a, which is going to give me cosine of 48 equals, what is that, 8 over x. So rearranging that, we get x equals 8 over cosine 48, which should give me, I think it gives me 11.9558 or something, so rounded to one decimal place, 12.0 centimetres. I can't fit centimetres in, but make sure you do. And then doing the same thing, I'm not gonna use the one I've just found just in case I made a mistake. I'm gonna use this and this. So to do that, opposite and adjacent, we've got tan of 48 equals y over 8. Rearrange that. Okay, we get y equals 8 times tan 48. I would do it that way round so that the 48 doesn't get multiplied by 8. Remember, tan 48 is just a number on its own, as it were. And now when I put that in, that's 8.9 centimetres, and I can fit it in this time. Okay, right. Now, I'm going to just change to green. On this one, you're going to tell me, but that's not a right angle triangle. But these two little dashes here mean it's an isosceles triangle, and I can split it exactly in half. And then I have a right angle triangle that looks like this, where that's 16 and that's 7.5, and I can work out that. Now, that's half of x. So let's remember that I'm stood here, that's opposite and hypotenuse. So I'm going to be using sine. So if I call this, I don't know, a or something for now, sine of a, okay, is, what's that, 7.5 over 16. And so therefore, to work out x, I'm going to do 2 lots of sine to the minus 1, the inverse of sine, okay, of 7.5 over 16, which gives me, what's that, 55.9 degrees. Okay, so that should all have been revision for you, but there you go, just a little reminder.